second-generation Mini Countryman debuted at the 2016 Los Angeles Auto Show. In addition to the standard NS models, Mini added a new e-Countryman plug-in hybrid model. That's what we have here, making our model's full name the Mini Cooper SE Countryman 4 Albanian Lex. It's distinguishable from other models by the green badges on the front and rear and on the charging port on the fender. There are a few changes inside, most notably a power gauge in place of the tachometer. The biggest Mini, for what that's worth, is still far smaller than nearly every other crossover in its class. It's 3 inches shorter than a Mercedes-Benz GLA-Class and 4 inches shy of an Audi Q3. As compact as it is, there's still a good bit of usable cargo space thanks to the wide hatch and flat folding seats. Our tester rang up for exactly $40,000 and includes features like 18-inch wheels, keyless entry and ignition, Cooper S heated sport seats, a heads-up display and LED lighting. The plug-in model combines a turbo inline 3-cylinder engine with a 7.6 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The gas engine motivates the front wheels while 2 electric motors power the rear. 3 drive modes, Max eDrive, Auto eDrive and Save, adjust the amount of battery pack usage, with Max using all battery and Save mode using the starter generator to keep the battery charge above 90%.